we're going to take a look at the ASCII chart or table and the Unicode chart. And then we're going to talk about how Python can actually call the characters in these charts. And technically, it's from Unicode because ASCII table is part of the Unicode, so it's so large. So we can call the actual characters, or we can figure out what value, what decimal value they have using two functions built into Python. So I've set up a little scenario here where I have a variable called a, and I've given it the value of the character a, okay? In fact, we could actually give it the value of integer 1 if we want, okay? And what I want the program to do is print, and then there's this function ord, which what it will do is it will find the decimal value of this character, okay? And this character actually needs to be a string in this case. And we've assigned it a. So if we go to run it, 1 is 49, which seems really odd. But if we actually jump to the ASCII table and we try to find the number 1, here we go. Number 1 is actually the value, the decimal value of 49. This is the hexadecimal value. So it looks like 31, but you notice there's also like 2f and 2e. This is hexadecimal value. So this little function here is very helpful. In fact, what if it was the character a? What number is that in the ASCII or Unicode chart? And it is 97. So we go down and look for lowercase a, because that's uppercase. But if we find lowercase a, there it is. It's the number 97. Okay. So what this function is doing is giving us the decimal value. There's another one. We can say print. And this one actually, from the number value or the decimal value, gives you a character. Okay. So, for instance, we learned that 97 should print out the letter A. Here we go. Okay, and let's maybe comment this out so it's a little less confusing. We have A. So it prints out what is assigned the 97th place in the ASCII chart? Well, it's actually lowercase a. I think 65 was uppercase A. Let's take a look. We run it and we get uppercase A. Perfect. Okay. So this is the ASCII table, and this is the extended ASCII table. This uses 128 bits to store all of these characters. This one is 256 bits, okay? But actually, all of these are part of the Unicode chart. And what this program is actually doing, or these functions in Python, they're actually calling this. This is much larger. Much, much larger, okay? Notice basic Latin is 0 to 127, the decimal values. It makes sense. That's literally the ASCII chart we showed earlier. The extended ASCII chart gives us 256 bits. But then we go up and there's quite a bit more here. So for instance, Greek, if I wanted Greek and I wanted omega, okay? Greek capital omega, there you go. 911. So I'm going to put in the decimal value 911. So I'm going to put that into char here, 911. And when we print it, will it show up on this computer? There we go. It gave us the character omega. So if you do some exploration with the Unicode chart, there is quite a lot in here. One of my favorite ones to look at. Let's see if I can find it. Currency symbols. No, that's not the favorite. Where are they? I think they're up around. I thought they were in the 12,000s. Let me do a little quick search here. Oh, I don't know where it is. Oh, I'm so sorry. I thought I was going to quickly find it here. I thought I was in the 12,000 range, but I could be wrong. Could this be it? No. Okay. Well, the point of this is to show you the built-in functions that were there, so I'm not going to waste my time looking up all of these. Oh, actually, I can find it really quickly. It's 128,000. Is this it? That does not look like it at all. Oh, I'm way off on this chart here. Okay. Anyways, I was trying to find within Unicode, you actually have emojis. So you have to do a little bit of searching. I'm sure we can find them. Let's see. Face. White frowning face. White smiling face. Oh, I thought it would give me more of the emojis. That's okay. All right. Actually, I can show it within this program here because I do know the number. I think if I go in 128,447 and run it, it should give me. Oh, let's go. let's say 50, a little higher. Okay, we're starting to get emojis. I thought those were the faces. Let me go up a little more. I feel like I'm really close. Nah, I'm not. Okay, anyways, you can explore emojis using these. These two functions are important, okay? Especially if we're going to use our Caesar cipher, they're going to be very important for our program here. Let's go. I'm going to go a little higher. It's actually driving me nuts. There we go. We got our emojis. Yes, it's somewhere in that decimal range. So if you check the Unicode chart, it's somewhere in there you'll need to find. Okay?